This should not. Oh. Mommy, what is this lady?
Say mascot.
Mine is a puppy, like, you know, print, a puppy fingerprint.
It's not.
Let me know when you let her hold her. When you let me hold her.
Not in the car. Put that down. And don't ever push that. Yeah, all cheap. Yeah, cheap. Yeah. Tell me all about it. Tell me. All right, give me more.
A diaper bag?
Yeah. All right.
Here, Kendall made me. I only spent $5.46. And Kendall, I got Morgan and Kendall a bag of chips because Kendall kept crying. Well, she ain't crying, but you know how she get the wine.
Give me my